Tucson is Hyundai's hottest selling SUV, and for good reason. Yet it keeps getting better, especially when it comes to the refreshed 2025 model. With a bold new face, sharper design touches, and a restyled interior with bigger screens and a more modern look, this Tucson hits it out of the park when you're looking for an innovative and highly capable SUV with tons of style. My name is Gian, I'm your host and product specialist, and this is the 2025 Tucson in our top-of-the-line limited trim. And I am so excited to walk you through it in this edition of Hyundai Showroom Walkaround. Now, there are so many updates I want to talk about, but let's start things off with the refreshed exterior design. Now, the designers added a number of subtle visual enhancements that provide a bolder overall look and even more road presence. It's most noticeable up front with the revised 3D parametric dynamic front grille with the kinetic jewel pattern, distinctive front light designs with your bi-LED headlights, as well as available hidden daytime running lights only seen once illuminated. Along the side, we have the aggressive side profile, which maintains the parametric theme, and sculpted panels provide sharp character lines. Distinctive angular wheel arches with striking available 19-inch alloy wheels with a bold geometric pattern. And the amazing design touches continue in the rear, including a full-width taillight design that incorporates half-hidden triangular shapes, the wraparound light strip, and available LED taillights. Now up top, tucked beneath the spoiler, you have your hidden rear wiper and the Hyundai logo integrated into the rear glass that gives a clean, modern look. Now for convenience, Tucson comes with an available hands-free smart liftgate with auto open, which will automatically start to open up for you when you stand within 3 feet of it and the key fob in your pocket. Now as we take a look at the cargo area, you're gonna have 38.7 cubic feet of cargo space there in the back, with the ability to increase it by about 2 inches of height by using that dual level cargo floor, 6 different tie down points to secure your bulkier, larger items. And when you need even more space, you can use the release lever here in the back to lower those rear seats to increase it to about 74.8 cubic feet with both of the seats lowered. Now, when it comes to safety, you know Tucson has you covered with a standard suite of SmartSense safety features, which include forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, cyclist detection, and junction turning, driver attention warning, lane keeping assist, and lane following assist, just to name a few. And it gets even better. As you get into the higher trim levels of Tucson, you get some available SmartSense safety features that include forward attention warning, a blind spot view monitor, and a navigation-based smart cruise control system that can automatically lower your speed around highway curves. Now that we've been able to learn a little bit more about Tucson, let's go and take a look now at its updated interior that has been restyled to provide a sense of openness and sophistication. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice is the new dual screens that are provided with the available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the standard 12.3-inch touchscreen with available navigation, underscored by a new horizontal air vent design with 4 vents and a continuous look. Also, new infotainment and HVAC climate controls designed with physical buttons and knobs, because we know you've been asking for that. And the new available column-mounted shift-by-wire gear selector, which frees up the area between the front seats. Now, when it comes to the limited trim, you get some of our best features of standard equipment, like your heated steering wheel, 64 different colors for your ambient interior lighting, heated and ventilated leather trim seating, and heated rear seats. And as we take a look up above, you get the available impressive panoramic sunroof with a power tilt and slide in the front and fixed glass in the rear. And while the restyled interior is really impressive, you also get some pretty incredible tech that can make every drive better. like standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And speaking of wireless, there's an available wireless device quick charging pad. And the tech doesn't end there, because you also get modern USB-C ports, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, available Hyundai Pay, available head-up display, and standard over-the-air software updates. Now, on every trim level, you're gonna get your complimentary Blue Link Plus. Now, that's gonna allow you to remotely access Tucson from your compatible smartphone. You can remotely unlock the doors, control the climate, and even locate where you last parked it. With Hyundai Digital Key 2, it's gonna allow you to unlock the doors and start the motor all from your compatible smartphone. It's compatible with Apple and Android smartphones, as well as smartwatches. And this is the greatest thing, it's ultra wideband, so it even works with the phone in your pocket. Now, Remote Smart Park Assist allows you to utilize the key fob to park Tucson while you're outside of it. Now, as we start to talk about performance, all trim levels are gonna come with an efficient and responsive 2.5-liter SmartStream GDI 4-cylinder engine. Now, this is gonna pump out 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, made it to a standard 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters available on the limited trim. Now with Tucson, front-wheel drive comes standard with available H-Track all-wheel drive on all trim levels. And when you want to tailor Tucson to your driving, you're gonna love Drive Mode Select. It's gonna have normal and sport modes, My Drive, a user customizable mode, and with that available H-Track all-wheel drive, it will add a snow mode. Now, let's talk about some other amazing benefits you get once you're a Hyundai owner, such as America's Best Warranty, which includes our 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, our 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, and Hyundai complimentary maintenance, which will give you limited maintenance for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. And since we care about building the highest quality vehicles, we even produce our own advanced high-strength steel, which makes every Tucson very strong and very light. So there you have it. The refreshed 2025 Tucson gives you a bolder, sharper exterior, loads of tech and safety features, and a restyled interior with larger screens and a more modern look. And on top of all that, H-Track all-wheel drive is available on all trims, which makes Tucson the modern SUV that gives you more of everything you want.